Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to share YouTube video on Instagram story. At first, you want to copy the link of the video you want to promote. Let's go to the YouTube and let's select a random video, just this one. And then you want to hit copy link. And I want to go to the Instagram. And from here, you want to go to the home and then create a new one over here. Basically, create a new post story. So select story. Then just make a picture. So I make random picture like this, and then you want to hit the link button over here, and here you can add the swipe up link. So you can hit IGTV video if you want, and then you can add the link if you want to, but I am not going to do that because if you have 10k followers, you can enable swipe up link for your story. As you can see, my account does not have 10k followers, so for me swipe up is not available. So if it is, there would be an option to select web link and then you can share it. So if you are unable to share, it's definitely because you don't have 10k followers yet. So I am sorry to say that it's impossible for you to do if you don't have 10k followers, but Instagram decided to it this way, so yeah, it's not different. So this was the process by which you can share YouTube video on Instagram story. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks, have a good day.